Today we're going to be treating our hives for Varroa mites. Varroa mites are a parasitic mite that cause significant threats to honeybees all over the world. We will be using an oxalic acid vapor treatment, which has been proven to be very effective. It's also very popular amongst beekeepers due to its low impact on the bees. That being said, it is very corrosive and toxic, and it needs to be handled with great care. Protective equipment is required. Today we will be using the Forged Air respirator along with gloves.